Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. So I made this video a few months back. Okay, maybe not a few months, back in February. So I'm just uploading it now. I got this unit from Luvme Hair. This is one of their 4C edges unit. I love this unit so much. I really didn't have too much trouble installing the unit. It was super easy. The lace blended in very well. Like, I was impressed when I installed this unit. You know, I did my usual, cutting my lace, pulled it back. I tried to make sure I did not cut any of that baby hair because that hair was a little bit longer. So, as always, I add my Fenty Beauty to tint my lace. And honey, it looks crazy right now, but please remember, trust the process. This hair matched so well. So I did put a little bit of my wax stick, and Luvme sent me a flat iron, honey. I was not expecting that flat iron in that box. It definitely did what it was supposed to do. I never knew they had flat irons until I opened that box. Now, when I tell y'all this hair was thick, it was thick. So you're not gonna get no skimpy thin unit with this one. Like, I like it. It was definitely what I was looking for. It washed well. It never tangled. I love it. It looked very, very natural. Now, if you plan on flat ironing some human hair, honey, get you a titanium flat iron. I had to learn that the hard way. It straightens the hair very well. There's very little flyaways. It works. Trust me. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Now, like I told y'all, the baby hairs were a little bit too long for me, so I did just go in and kind of thin them out, shorten them out. I did pluck them just a little bit to thin them out. I used my trusty faithful Lotta Body mousse. Put that on my edges, swoop them, and honey, we have a whole style. It was super easy. You see me plucking them here because I felt they were a little bit too thick, so I thinned them out, and voila. Look at that hair. I'm a whole new person. Super cute. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I wanted to add another hairstyle to this unit, so I tried that viral hairstyle, and it came out super cute. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. So as y'all can tell by the title, this is a unit from Luvme Hair. Now, Luvme Hair was the first brand that I have ever got a human hair from, and I'm gonna stick beside them. I had to jump on the bandwagon and get the kinky edges. So that's what this is. And honey, let me tell you, I don't ever want a unit without kinky edges because this is given very much scalp. Like, it's given very much, this is my hair. You can't tell me otherwise that this is not my hair. I mean, I paid for it, so it's mine, but it's given, it's mine, okay? Now, this is an undetectable lace, and it is kinky straight. I did flat iron it because it was giving very much bushy. So once I flat iron it, it looks so natural. I don't have no complaints out of this unit, okay? The lace is a 5x5 closure, which means you can part it whichever way you want to part it. I just chose to keep it down the center. The next time I wear it, I'm pretty sure I might wear it like a little bit differently. I might put a little side part. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna stick true to my center part because I love a center part. This is 22 inches, so it's fairly long. It goes right above my booty. Okay, so I did bleach the knots. It did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but I did bleach the knots because that's what I wanted to do. That's my business. But I think I made it look a little bit more natural. Y'all tell me, like, how did I do? Don't look at that part. Y'all tell me, like, how did I do? The bleach are not over bleached. Like, I'm stepping my game up for 2023, honey. Y'all need to go on over to Luvme Hair, get you one of these because you need it. This hair is super soft. It is so soft. That's why I love hair from Luvme Hair. Come on with the name because I love it. And you know, I try to do the little viral hairstyle, but child, I tried. I tried, but this has to be like, this is gonna be my everyday hair because it's giving life, honey. It is giving natural. It is giving you need this. It is giving thank you Luvme Hair for making this unit. Like, I did trim down the baby hairs just a little bit. Normally I will put some of my concealer or my foundation like in my part. I ain't even do that. All I did was straighten the hair, put it on my head. Well, I cut the lace. I didn't cut it in any specific shape. I just followed the hairline that was on the lace, cut that, put it on my head. Put some mousse on my edges and called it a day. Like, I love this unit. Like, where is my lace? Like, where is it? Because I don't see it. I don't see it, and I was up close, honey. 22 inches, yes me please. Y'all, I'm in love. So cute. And it is so full. Like, I don't know what density this is, but it's thick. It is thick. And I don't have no complaints about it at all. So let's not forget that this is a glueless unit, okay? I didn't put anything on this unit. I didn't put a single spray of glue, nothing. Single, like, nothing. Y'all see that? Come on now. It's glueless. So all I gotta do in the morning is just put this thing on and go. Put it on and go. Like, it is so full. It is so full. It's so soft. Zero complaints. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. You're welcome. Head on over to Luvme Hair. Get you this unit. You will not be disappointed. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Do you like it? Are you getting one? Did I lay my edges? Did I do the thing? Okay, let me know. So until the next time, bye.